Well, if you're going to be working on these, well, this is a Stewart engine, Stewart Turner 10V steam engine. If you're going to be working on these, it's a good idea to buy a set like this. These sockets and wrenches are very well made, and they're laser cut and they fit great. So if you're going to, well, unfortunately I'm going to have to take this apart because there's something wrong with the slide. So I'm gonna, it's like it wants to go, but I don't know what's going on. I lubricated it all up and everything, and it just doesn't want to go. I don't know, could be the timing, but I'm gonna have to take it apart, find out what's going on with the slide. But this main video is about this socket and wrench set.